It's Jace from drpremed.com, and I know I've been away for a while, so I just wanted to reach out to everybody, tell you I'm still here. I'm doing some rotations right now that are quite busy, but also I wanted to inform you of something special that I've been working on. What I've been noticing is a lot of pre-med students have the question of, what are my chances? Do they feel that they're competitive to get into medical school? What should they be doing as a pre-med student to boost their chances of getting into medical school? And I wanted to answer some of those questions for you to make sure that you're on the right path and you're doing what you need to be doing when you need to be doing it to ensure that you get into medical school and you can ultimately become a doctor. So what I've done is I went ahead and I created a step-by-step no holds course called seven Steps to Medical School Admissions Acceptance, and how to transform yourself into the minute medical student. And in this course, I'm going to teach you how to write an amazing medical school personal statement that automatically sells you to the medical schools. I can tell you what to put in your personal statement, what to leave out, and certain topics that you absolutely shouldn't write about because every other pre-med writes about it. I'm also going to tell you and teach you how to make the most of your MCAT prep so that you score in the top percentile. Too often students come to me saying that they took these commercial MCAT prep courses, they're not seeing an improvement in their scores, and they're not sure what to do. Their MCAT test is approaching, there's so much writing on this exam, and they need some help and assistance. So I'm going to help you out in that regard as well. And I'm also going to help you position yourself as a must-admit applicant for AdComs regardless of your stat, because I know people come in with various types of GPAs, MCAT scores, but obviously you need to have the numbers. But if you don't have the numbers, are there things that AdComs look for? Are there other factors that you can do to enhance your application where the AdComs can say, okay, well, this applicant might be a little bit weaker with their numbers, but overall I see this, I also see that here, and now with all of these components put together, I think that they would be a great addition to our medical school. So I'm going to help you do that. And so, is this something that you would want? It's currently on pre-sale right now, this course. It's going to only be $249, but as soon as we completed it and have all our case studies and testimonials, it's actually going to go on sale then for $997. So if this is something that you're interested in, you want to learn more about, I'm going to include a link in the bottom in the first comment or whatever they call it, like the description of the video. Go there to my contact page at drpremed.com and just hit yes and say, Jason, I want to know more about this course that you're offering. I want to get into pre-sale. I have to remind you though that this is only going to be available until Tuesday, December the 11th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the only way you can get the pre-sale course for the $249 or so. You have to act before Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Just send me a message and I will get back to you with all the details for everything, and we can go from there. I look forward to helping you on your journey to getting into medical school. Again, I have a course that's going to walk you step by step everything that you should do as a pre-med to make sure you get into medical school. Take care. This is Jason with drpremed.com.